So tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang ating pag-drive sa ating road trip dito sa northern towns of Iloilo. Hello mga kasenyor, we are here in Iloilo, the northern part, and we will be driving around the towns of Barotac Nuevo, Pototan, Hadyuay, Santa Barbara, and many other places in the northern part of Iloilo City. So join me as Senyor Bihero explore the northern part of Iloilo Province. Let's go! Destination is Barotac Nuevo. So papasok na tayo sa pinakabayan ng Barotac. So yan, I think nag-detour tayo na konti sa main highway to go inside Barotac Nuevo. This town is famous for football and soccer. So puntahan natin yung kanilang malaking plaza at ang kanilang simbahan. So ito yung pinakabayan ng Barotac. Malalaking puno na yan. Uy, may malaki. Ikutin natin yan. So, iba-iba lang pala ang Barotac. Unlike before. So, ikot tayo dyan. Ito na yung pinaka-main town. Mamaya ikutin natin Lumang Munisipyo at saka kanilang bagong amphitheater. Wala natin destination is the church here in Barotac. The Barotac Church, our first destination. The right side has a campanaryo. St. Paul School in Barotac, Nuevo. So this is the football field of Barotac, Nuevo. And there's a new auditorium being built for watching football, for the local football fans, to support the development of football that only happens here in Barotac, wherein they have some of the best players in the Philippines, and they trained on this field. Unfortunately, we can't see anybody playing today. These are the footmarks, shoe mark of the football players in Barotac. So this is the old plaza. Now they're building a new auditorium. Some remnants of the old plaza you can still see. That's Jose Rizal. This is the old Rizal monument at the old park that has now been converted into an auditorium. Monument of Capitan Simon Protasio, Fundador, Gobernador Silio de Pueblo de Barotac, el año 1811. So yeah, it's going to be the new auditorium. Ganda, oh. It's going to look nice when watching football in the future here in Barotac. This is the old Rizal monument at the old park that has now been converted into an auditorium. Old Barotac Municipal Hall built in 1953. They have a new municipal hall there. The old municipal hall built in 1953. The local market po. Ayun sa dulo, ayun ang palengke nila. The local market. What's inside the market? Nice parang mall. May mga snacks. Sa market, even the meat vendor are very clean. Look, I heard that Barotac is famous for bangus. Ito na bangus. Let's go inside the fast food area. Let's see what we can have for lunch. Titignan ko muna. Halo-halo. Bakit sikat ang halo? Maybe later we'll have halo-halo. May gusto ko mag... ang choices. Nandito tayo sa fast food ng Barotac sa may tabi ng palengke, and we ordered some of the dishes na nakita natin. Special Bites Choy, Sarils Bachoy, 70 pesos, and then puto 20 pesos, soft drinks 20 pesos, and kanin with Bicol Express 65 pesos. Sold na tayo ito. Hindi natin nabutan yung kansi, baka sa iba meron tayo. So kain tayo ipon natin muna yung kanilang batsoy. Special daw. Sarap ah. Masarap yung baldo, yung pinaka-sabon. And then, ipon natin yung Bicol Express. Panalo din. So we just had lunch dito sa may fast food sa palengke ng Barotac Nuevo. I'm very happy to taste yung mga local talaga na hindi pang turista. 70 pesos yung bachoy, pero sarap-sarap dahil kompleto sa ricados at saka sarap ng kanilang fresh na fresh yung soup, yung caldo. And then we also had puto na 20 pesos, 4 na piraso. So you do have time to pass by dito sa palengke at marami kayong matitignan. We just finished Barotac Nuevo, and our next destination is Pototan. Kakanan tayo dyan sa kanto na yan. That goes to Pototan. I think may signage naman yata. So turn right to Pototan. Diretso. Diretso pala Pototan. Okay, diretso pala Pototan. Kanan is the bypass road. So we're going to Pototan. To Google Map, Pototan is about 16 kilometers from Barotac Hill. So tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang ating pag-drive sa ating road trip dito sa northern towns of Iloilo. We just finished Barotac Nuevo. Very happy to see na nandun pa rin yung napaka-famous na football field kung saan nag-produce ang napakaraming magaling na football player para sa buong Pilipinas. So, kaya papunta naman tayo sa Pototan. Ito yung isa sa mga pinakamagandang plaza na nakita ko. So, babalikan natin yun. Tsaka maganda rin yung simbahan nila. So, tara! Samahan niyo ko sa ating biyaheng Senior Biyahero goes to Northern Iloilo. arrive in Pototan, una nakita yung kanilang Camposanto. Kanilang Old Camposanto. Dito, 1894. Yan nakalagay yung marker. So, 1894 pala. Arrive at Pototan. Ito yung kanilang Christmas capital of Iloilo. So, ano tayo ng representative pwede mag-park? Sa arrive here in Pototan, ang first thing na pupuntahan natin will be St. Joseph, Patronage of St. Joseph Church dito sa Pototan. Ayan yung sa kaliwa. Pototan Church, St. Joseph, Patronate of St. Joseph Catholic Church. Christmas. The Christmas capital of Iloilo, Pototan. Pototan. Giant Christmas tree from Pototan. So, very beautiful here in Pototan, the Christmas capital of Iloilo. See, Iloilo province. So, unfortunately, it's daytime. So, siguro sa gabi napakaganda dito. They even have a giant Christmas tree, and we're walking under a tunnel of Christmas lights. So, ang ganda siguro dito sa gabi. Sorry, we will not be able to do it. Sayang. Hope we can come back soon. Very beautiful bandstand, decorated with Christmas decors. So, Bukidis muna tayo sa plaza sa Pototan. 20 pesos, ang dami pala ng Bukidis yun. Refreshing. That inikot natin ito. Ang ganda talaga ng plaza ng Pototan. And now, It's well decorated ng maraming Christmas decoration that this is the Christmas capital of Iloilo. So, sayang lang hindi natin makikita ng gabi. But just the same, ganda ng decoration. So, just done with Putotan. Next destination, Harinaway. So, puntahan natin yung church at saka kanyang Campo Santo na isa sa pinakamaganda sa buong Pilipinas. So, let's go na. Drive na ulit tayo. Let's continue our drive. So we're now driving through Harinaway. So siguro na natin dadaanan would be Spanish Era Cemetery kasi pinakamaganda sa buong Pilipinas. The most beautiful cemeteries, Harinaway. Here sa bayan ng Harinaway. Harinaway, hindi ko natin pronounce eh. Mas matay na bayan. So ito na yun, sa harapan natin yung simbahan. So nandiyan yung ruins ng old church at saka yung bagong simbahan. Let's see where we can park. Siguro doon sa may kanan. So may malapit sa munisipyo. So we just arrived sa town hall ng Harinaway. Bago din to, dito na po na dati when we first visited this place. In front of town hall is a very nice plaza. And then there's a gym in front. We have the church of Harinaway. On the left is the ruins of the old church. This is the new church. The old church. Medyo maulan na. Pati lumalakas na yung ulan. So pasok na tayo. Now proceeding to Santa Barbara. one of the most historic towns here in Iloilo because of the 1896 revolution. So marami pa rin sugar cane. So we are now entering Santa Barbara, and we are already seeing one of the biggest flags in the Philippines. This is a very historic place, and we're going to show you later on about the history of this Santa Barbara parish as well as the church. Arrived in Santa Barbara, Iloilo, the historic town of Santa Barbara. The monument of General Martin Teofilo Delgado. Church and Convento of Santa Barbara. So a very nice plaza with the Monument of Delgado, and there's a 1920s bandstand. So marami para sa mga bata. There's a monument for Bantays. So, driving na tayo pabalik ng Iloilo City. Ito rin yung daan papuntang airport eh. So, like on the right is the airport, and we're turning left to Iloilo City. Very nice road talaga, lapad, and then wala nang traffic. This is driving in Iloilo is all about. Nearing Iloilo City, that's why it's traffic already. Just left Pabia, now entering Iloilo to Iloilo City. Dapat na kalsada. So this is the new Iloilo with brand new buildings. The right side nandiyan yung SM. Ito na yung Plazuela de Iloilo. Driving now to Festival. This is the new Iloilo. Ito rin ang klase. Dati itong airport na. On the right is the convention center. Very much different, diba? Sa mga pinuntahan natin na old places. Festival. Okay, looks like there's an event. Tingnan natin. Right now at Festive Mall. Yan ang display nila ngayon. Just walk around the mall. This used to be the old airport, and Mega World built Lots of structures, buildings, malls, hotels around this area. Emperador. Hello mga ka-senior, I'm now here at the Mega World property, resting after a full day of exploring northern towns of Iloilo. I'm very happy because today I was able to explore the old and the new Iloilo. So we started with Barotac Nuevo. I was very happy to see the San Antonio de Padua Church. It was actually open when we came, and I was able to see its very beautiful interior. After that, we explored the Barotac Nuevo town proper, particularly the football field, because Barotac is very famous for producing some of the best football players in the Philippines. After the football field, we went around, visited the old municipio, saw the new stadium, and eventually went to the public market to have some lunch, which of course composed of batsoy. I was looking for kansi, but it was not available. So from Barotac Nuevo, we moved to Pototan, another very interesting place because this is considered the Christmas capital of Iloilo. There are so many Christmas displays. Unfortunately, it was daytime and we didn't see them lighted, but I'm still very happy how beautifully decorated the plaza is. And then we also went to the St. Joseph Church and saw the very beautiful town hall of Pototan. From Pototan, we moved to Januay and saw the one of the most beautiful cemeteries, Pansira Cemetery. And then went to the church, the new church and the ruins of the old church, and saw the municipio as well. And then for the highlight of the northern tour of Iloilo, we went to Santa Barbara town. We saw one of the biggest flags in the Philippines, the beautiful municipio, the beautiful plaza, the monument of General Delgado, and finally the very historic church of Santa Barbara. It is actually one of the most beautiful churches here in Iloilo. It's made of red bricks, interior and exterior wise. We also saw the beautiful convento. And from Santa Barbara, we drove all the way here to Iloilo City to see Mega World, the Festive Walk. I'm very happy to see how beautiful the place is. So many new buildings. Iloilo is becoming one of the most beautiful places and most well-planned places in the Philippines. The mall is quite nice, but what I like most is the Emperador Museum at the back and also the Museum of the Horse. So with that, I hope you like the old and the new museum, old and new Iloilo tour, us exploring the northern towns and us taking you around the festive walk of Mega Mall. With that, I'd like to thank you very much for watching Travel Value Kent. Until our next vlog, see you soon!